Ma'am Marjeline, kamusta po? Nakaready na po ako para sa performance appraisal meeting po natin.
Good, Angela. Let's start with an overview of your team. Sino sa kanila ang tumaas this quarter?
Si Dayan po, ma'am. Consistently high ang scores niya sa customer feedback survey and she completed her project ahead of deadline. And si Cindy naman po, since bagong hire po siya, she is still adjusting para may potential.
Oh, that's good to know. Recognition is important, so let's reward Dayan for her excellent performance. And for Cindy naman, I'd like to create a mentorship program para ma-adjust yung adjustment pace niya. Okay, that's all. Thank you. You may go now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, sorry to interrupt po. But Angela said you might need it.
Oh, about that, not at all, Dayan. In fact, we were just discussing about your performance bago ka pumasok dito. And I'm pleased to share to you that you've done exceptional this quarter. And I like to give you a reward, a bonus reward performance this quarter.
Thank you so much ma'am. I am really grateful po. But I could not have done it po without the support of Angela's and the team.
Oh, that's kind of teamwork we love to see in this company. Great job, Dayan.
Thank you ma'am.
Ma'am Angeline, feeling ko hindi ako makakapasa sa appraisal performance ko.
Don't worry, Cindy. The appraisal process is just about the numbers. Tinitignan din naman dyan kung magaling ka ba sa performance mo or willing ka ba matuto.
Tama si Angeline, lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa ganyan. Lalo na nung bago-bago pa lang kami. Diyan mo malalaman kung ano yung kalakasan mo at ano yung kailangan mong improve.
Salamat guys. May tip pa ba kayo?
Focus on your strengths, Cindy. Huwag ka rin mahiyang magtanong. Part naman yun ng learning process eh.
Agree. Nung training phase ko, lagi akong nagtatanong. Now I feel confident in my work.
Maraming salamat sa support ha.
Good morning, team.
Good morning, ma'am.
Gusto ko lang pag-usapan ang upcoming performance appraisal process. It's an opportunity for us to recognize your hard work and focus on areas for growth. Yes, Miss Angeline.
Paano po ba ito makakapako sa salaries namin?
Is there any other questions? Yes, Miss Cindy.
Ma'am, totoo po ba may kasamang bonuses?
Yes, bonuses are part of process for high performers. Pero tandaan, this is not just about money. It is also about personal growth and getting feedback to help you improve.
Hi everyone! I'm excited for today's meeting. So, let's talk about how we'll conduct the appraisal process.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dayan?
paano natin masisiguro na fair ang assessment ng performance?
Okay. Great question, Dayan. About that, we will conduct a self-assessment, peer reviews, and manager evaluation. This ensure that multiple perspectives are conducted, making sure the process is fair.
Alright, team. After this meeting, I schedule you one by one with Ma'am Marjeline for your feedback sessions.
Okay, guys, I'm so excited to meet you in my office. See you later.
Good afternoon, team. Ready na ba kayo para malaman ang feedback sa inyo ni Ma'am Marjeline? Cindy, you're the first. Follow me at Ma'am Marjeline's office. Ma'am Marjeline, nandito na po si Cindy.
Sige, papasok.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sige,
Jocelyn, first of all, great job on showing initiative and enthusiasm in your first few months here. You've shown promise, but you need to work on time management and prioritizing your tasks.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll make sure to improve on that.
Thank you, Cindy. You may go now. Angela, please come in my office.
Yes po, ma'am.
Angela, please call Jocelyn Miranda to come in my office.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Jocelyn, you're next.
Ma'am Marjorie, nandito na po si Jocelyn.
Jocelyn, please come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for my
Good afternoon. Please sit down.
Ma'am Marjorie, kamusta nga po yung flow ng training base ko this past few months?
Jocelyn, you've made good progress during your training phase. I see that you're asking the right question and applying what you've learned effectively. One area to work on would be your confidence in your decision making. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll focus on being more decisive and proactive moving forward.
Thank you, Jocelyn.
Thank you po.
Jocelyn, can you please tell Angela to call Diane?
Noted, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Diane, where would like to get your feedback from Mama June? Follow me. Ma'am, nandito na po si Diane. Please come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm excited to hear your feedback.
Good afternoon. Please sit down. Diane, your performance has been outstanding. Not only you've met your targets, but also you've gone above and beyond. As a reward, we're offering you additional training opportunities to further develop your skills.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm excited for the training and keep contributing from the team po.
Thank you, Diane. You may go.
Thank you everyone for your hard work. Ma'am Marjorie, can you share the team's overall performance?
Absolutely. Overall, the team performed well. Diane's achievements are commendable. Cindy showing promise with a room to grow. Jocelyn is progressing nicely in this training phase. Moving forward, we'll implement a monitoring system for Cindy with Diane as her mentor. And will provide additional guidance for Jocelyn to build her confidence in decision making.
So nice. That's amazing. I'm excited to learn from Diane.
Thank you for the support as well. I'll do my best to continue improving.
I'll be happy to have Cindy and Jocelyn. Feel free to ask anytime. Let's set some rules together.
And for those who excelled like Diane, your bonuses will be processed next month.
Okay, team. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ang saya, di ba? Kasi nindihan ko na ngayon ang importance ng performance appraisal. I feel more confident about what to improve.
Oo nga. I feel like more confidence knowing na may support pala ako from the team. And that there's a good fun.
Tandaan nyo, this is all about continuous improvement.
Let's aim even greater success next quarter. Okay, team, keep up the good work.
In every workplace, success isn't just about individual achievements. It's about collaboration, growth, and recognition. Together, this team has shown how hard work, guidance, and support can drive not only professional success but also professional development. Marjana's leadership, Angela's dedication, Diane's excellence, Cindy's eagerness to learn, Jocelyn's determination, and Angelin's encouragement embody the spirit of teamwork. As we look ahead, this journey serves as a reminder. When we recognize effort and nurture growth, we build not just a stronger team, but a brighter future for everyone. Because in the end, success is not just about reaching goals, it's about lifting each other up along the way.